Hello everyone, this question appears in class 6 NCERT chapter of whole numbers. This is sixth question of its exercise 2.2. So the question says that a vendor supplies 32 liters of milk to a hotel in the morning and 68 liters of milk in the evening. If the milk costs rupees 15 per liter, how much money is due to the vendor per day? मैं given है milk supplied in the morning. We're given it 32 liters. Milk supplied in the evening. I'm given here 68 liters. And if the milk cost rupees 15 per liter, cost of 1 liter of milk is equal to given away 15 rupees. So total cost of milk per day is equal to 15 into 68 plus 32, means total supply of milk per day into cost of a liter of milk is equal to 15 into 100 is equal to 1500 rupees. So money due to the vendor per day is 1500. Thank you.